Now, I refer to unless use clause. When we said unless use clause, we said three things. One, if lay time has commenced. Commenced means she starts running. Commenced means your stopwatch has started. So that is one condition. If lay time has commenced, any work done during excluded period shall count as lay time. And the third point is actual time used shall count as lay time. And when I said actual time, that means during excluded period, the statement of fact must tell us that ship worked cargo from 8 o'clock till 1300, 5 hours. If they say 12 to 1300 was rain, 4 hours. Actual time she loaded or discharged or pumped in or pumped out. Very clear? Now let us go one step ahead. If I say vessel started or lay time commenced at 8 o'clock Monday, and we have a unless use clause there, and vessel completed at 2300 hours on Sunday. Commenced 8 o'clock Monday and completed at 2300 hours on Sunday. Excluded period is say from 12 o'clock Saturday till 8 o'clock Monday. There may be a holiday, say Wednesday was a holiday. And same condition applies 5 p.m. on one day before holiday till 8 a.m. next working day. So these are our conditions. Only thing I have said is vessel lay time commenced or she commenced loading at 8 o'clock. Lay time has already commenced. She completed loading at 2300 hours on Sunday. What does that mean? Because that condition stays that actual time used to count as lay time. So if she completed at 2300 hours Sunday, I think it is safe to assume that she worked from 00 Sunday till 2300 hours. ਹੁਣ ऐसा तो है नहीं कि the ship will on midnight start working. So it can also be assumed she worked from 12 o'clock Saturday till 00 hours Monday or till 2400 hours Saturday. And if there's a holiday in between, she says she started and completed, then we can also assume that she worked during the holiday period also and through all excluded periods. So in other words, when such a thing comes, and there will be a few questions in MMD also, which I'll do in class also, but aside from that, I want your understanding. अपनी व्योंत विच बिठा लो गल कि unless use clause normally would tell you from which time to which time. If unless use clause says कि she worked from Monday and completed on Sunday, completed on Tuesday, that means she has not worked Saturday, Sunday. But because now third portion is, we said she started on Monday and completed on 2300 Sunday. In third case, we assume that she has worked through all excluded period. Once again, three things. Unless use clause is there, lay time has started, and I just simply say she started loading at 8 o'clock Monday and completed on say 12 o'clock Monday, next Monday. Nothing else I have said. That does not mean that she has worked on Saturday and Sunday. Unless they would have told me she worked Saturday 12 o'clock till 1800, which they have not said. So we will not include that she is not worked on under unless use clause. The second is she completed on 8 o'clock Monday and completed at 2300 hours on Sunday or Saturday we can know. Then that means it's assumed that she has worked from 12 o'clock Saturday till 2300 hours. So all excluded periods would then be included. When excluded period? When after lay time has started. I'm coming. Let us see. Beta, 2 Saturdays, he's going to give you a date. Na? So 2 Saturdays, well, you don't have to assume anything. But what you are saying, let me extend that to a more possibility. The vessel, so far have we understood everything? Anup ji, sorry, Aman, उच्ची बोलो, मैं नहीं सुनिया, हाँ अगर थोड़ा जोर से कहा कर यार। That is what I am trying to say. Unless he says कि she worked from 00 on Sunday till 2300 hours, in that case only 23 hours of Sunday will count, Saturday will not count, holidays will not count, they remain excluded period. Is that understood by everybody? Yes, sir. पक्की गल? Naturally, जब Monday खत्म हो, then he has to tell us that I worked on Sunday from this time to this time. This is on unless you clause. Unless you clause. हाँ. जब unless clause नहीं है तब तो फिर तो doesn't matter, we are not going to count. Even if you work cargo, if unless use clause is not there, I say she worked from 0 o'clock Sunday to 9 o'clock Sunday, I will still not count late time. But remember, when we tendered the ship in notice of readiness, what did we say? I am ready in all respects. I am at your effective disposal. I will load when you want to load. I will discharge when you want to discharge. I will move when you want me to. I am at your effective disposal. That is the word of condition, arrived ship condition. You all remember? So now the point is the third point, which he brought out, but I want to put it in the right word. Suppose the vessel tendered notice of readiness at 12 o'clock Saturday. Now, no, let me finish. Vessel tendered notice of readiness at 12 o'clock Saturday, and time is not to count from 12 o'clock Saturday till 8 o'clock Monday. Prior time is 24 hours. Prior time gets over on Sunday. Prior time is 24 calendar hours, beta. So that means 24 hours Sunday khatam ho gaya. But I cannot start late time. Late time will commence 8 o'clock Monday. So we say late time is not started. So ship comes, Friday NOR started, and there's an unless use clause. And statement says she tendered notice of readiness at 12 o'clock Saturday. And it said, charter party says that our prior period is 24 hours. And I also say she started loading at 8 o'clock on Sunday and completed at 2300 hours on next Sunday. Now, when is my late time going to start? So, unless use clause will trigger when? On Monday. So, this Sunday, the first Sunday you have work cargo, late time not to come. Does that make sense to everybody? Beta, tusi? Shrikant? Late time will start when the cargo will start on Sunday. After 24 hours of the if the cargo starts on Sunday, then late time will start. How can late time start? Charter party says time not to count. We can't stop from loading, but late time will not start. And since late time has not started, unless use clause will not trigger. Only trigger after late time. After late time has commenced. Once again, going back to what Babaji has said in BIMCO, what has he said? If late time has commenced, then any work during excluded periods shall count as late time. Actual time used to count as late time. That is the primary condition of unless use clause. So late time will start from Monday only. Monday only. If late time is started Monday, and if I say that she worked on Sunday, you will not include. But if in the same breath I am saying started on Sunday and completed 2300 hours on next Sunday, then all excluded. If I say 2300 hours on next Monday, ता नहीं. काम किया तो उसने बोला होगा ना. Then the statement of fact should say she worked on Sunday from 0 to 12 o'clock or whatever. अर्ज करो। हाँ करने दे यार।
फ्राइडे स्टार्ट हुआ, सैटरडे संडे छुट्टी, मतलब इस वाले हफ्ते अगले हफ्ते के संडे को खत्म हुआ, नेक्स्ट वाले संडे को, नॉट दिस संडे बट नेक्स्ट संडे। उसमें वो बोल रहा है 2300 लोडिंग कंप्लीटेड संडे। ये पिछले वाले संडे
अगर लेट टाइम फ्राइडे को शुरू हो गया फिर तो नेचुरली
विल काउंट दैट होती है, वो दसेगा ना मेरे।
वही तो कह रहे हैं ना, ही हैज सेड
वो कह रहे हैं
one minute please let him say what he's saying.
कंप्लीशन वाले 10 रुपए नहीं है, एक वो कोई अलग संडे है, वो भी 10 जरूरी है।
Yes, naturally. No, please understand. Let's not confuse the two issues. You say late time has started on Friday. That means after this, if unless use clause is given, any work done during accepted excluded period will count as late time. We agree there? Stop. Now two things. One, you say vessel late time commenced at 12 o'clock and vessel completed at 2300. Cargo completed started at 12 o'clock or whatever and completed at 2300 hours on next Sunday. Now that means all excluded periods after late time has commenced will count as late time. So first Sunday will count as late time. Because I know what you are wanting to say, but let me understand. Your late time has started already on Friday. In the question I told you, late time had not started on Saturday, on Friday. We had late time had NOR has been tendered on Friday. Prior period got over, let us say, or sorry, not Friday, Saturday we said, 12 o'clock Saturday, late time tendered, NOR tendered.
Saturday 12 o'clock
NOR tendered. Prior time is 24 hours. But on Sunday, late time cannot commence. So late time will start when? On Monday. Now, any work done before Monday will not be counted. Even if it says completed at 2300 on Sunday, but after late time has commenced on Monday, then if he says what he is saying, he completed till 2300 hours on Sunday, all excluded periods will be counted. Do we all understand this? बेटा automatically क्यों आऊगा? No, because he has said that the vessel completed at 2300 hours next Sunday. अगर वो नहीं कहा, suppose he says late time commenced Friday, vessel completed at 2300 hours on Monday. Now he has not told us whether she worked on first Saturday, Sunday or not. Then late time will not count. Let me tell you again. Let me tell you again, gentlemen, please understand. This is a very point. Acha, instead of my saying, all of you think what I have said. Have you understood? If anybody has a doubt, then tell me. Okay, Gaurav's turn. Let him speak. Beta, I said Gaurav the girl suno.
So we tendered the NOR 9 o'clock in the morning Saturday.
Okay.
Daytime will be starting 9 o'clock. नहीं होगा संडे को क्योंकि मंडे को ऑफिस खुलना है. ठीक है. तो इस केस में तो सिंपल है, ये एक्सक्लूड हो जाएगा और आगे वाला आ जाएगा.
Okay.
नाउ अभी फ्राइडे को अगर 9 o'clock स्टार्ट हुआ है और सैटरडे को 9 o'clock हमारा लेटर स्टार्ट हो चुका है.
Okay.
तो खत्म हो रहा है नेक्स्ट संडे 2300. तो नेक्स्ट संडे वाला वो 0 to 2300 काउंट करेंगे और सैटरडे भी काउंट.
Naturally, नहीं. You see what here? Your late time has already started. You said late time has started on.
9 o'clock in the morning.
Late time has started. And now you say vessel completed at 2300 hours on Sunday. So obviously she has worked through all the periods.
तो सर ये वाला जो सैटरडे पिछले वाला सैटरडे और संडे है, that unless यूज में तो उसके लिए स्पेशली मेंशन.
अगर no, because that is assumption. She is starting at 12 o'clock on or 9 o'clock on Saturday. Late time शुरू हो गया. And you are now working till completion at 2300 hours on Sunday. So next Sunday. So all excluded periods are going to be counted as late time. unless he says vessel works from 00 to 2300 hours on next Sunday.
और this
Or this, then that means others have not worked. If you, if any day, if any time, if please understand this, let's not get confused. If any time is not, is she has worked, they have to specify the time. Now, in your case, you are saying on Friday, on Saturday, late time has started. So, first condition is met. Correct?
शेक्स वाला तो क्लोज लगे ही हुए ना अनलेस यू मार्क लगा हुआ है
Beta, so that means if she has worked on Saturday and Sunday in the plain format, he has to tell you what time Saturday she worked or what time Sunday. We all understand. He has not said that. Late time has commenced on Friday. Beta, no back noise. It gets disturbed.
no 0900 on Saturday the late time has
Late time has started, and now you are saying you completed at 2300 on next Sunday. So obviously you have worked from 0 to 2300 hours.
yes sir
Obviously you have worked from 12 o'clock on Saturday to 2400 on Saturday.
it is not mentioned anywhere
Because why it's not? That's what I'm saying. When he has not mentioned when on Sunday he has completed, he has only said completion time.
तो फिर शेक्स का मतलब क्या हुआ इस केस में
Because checks is overruled by unless used clause. What does unless used clause do? It overrules checks. That's why we say checks unless used.
क्वेश्चन देख के पता लगा
No, 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 no. Question देख के नहीं लगा. थोड़ी समझ होनी चाहिए है. बेटा कानूनी ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਜੇ सैटरडे ਨੂੰ late time शुरू हो गया. If you have to work and what the question we are saying is she has worked late time started 9 o'clock on Saturday and you say she completed at 2300 next Sunday. So what are we assuming?
और सैटरडे इंक्लूड हो जाएगा
Natural.
संडे संडे एक्सक्लूड हो जाएगा क्यों
क्यों?
दोनों इंक्लूड हो जाएगा सर
बेटा जब लेट टाइम शुरू हो गया, when late time has started, now you are continuously working till 2300 next Sunday. That means all excluded periods between the commencement of late time at 12 o'clock on Saturday till completion of 2300 hours on next Sunday, we have worked all excluded period unless use clause में.
अगर यहाँ पे 0200 आज मंडे आ जाता तो फिर वो बिल्कुल
Everything cancel. They have to tell you everything cancel. If you say 02 o'clock Sunday, then I have to say कि Sunday को कितने घंटे काम किया, Saturday को कितने घंटे काम किया, and before that it is a holiday, how much you work from to. Then the original unless use clause will apply. Unless use, we are only saying this is purely because he is saying she has completed at 2300 on Sunday. If he had said she started at 00 on Sunday and completed 2300 hours, that does not mean she has worked from 12 o'clock Saturday till midnight. But if he says that he has completed at 2300, then it is assumed she has worked from 0 to 23, she has worked from 12 to 24, and before that, is there any excluded period after commencement of late time at 9 o'clock on Saturday, previous Saturday.
तो अगर सर अनलेस यूज क्लॉज में अभी एक और वो है कि अपना लेट टाइम तो 9 o'clock से चालू हो चुका है तो इस केस में ये भी मैटर करेगा ना कि लोडिंग कब चालू लेट्स से ही स्टार्ट की 1800 आवर सैटरडे से लोडिंग चालू
Nobody spoke about loading. If you read the definition, it doesn't speak about loading, commencement of loading. Commencement of loading in our late time problem has no relevance at all. Only time it has is for other purposes. When huh?
काइंड ऑफ सही जैसे मान लो फ्राइडे को लेट टाइम स्टार्ट हो गया और नेक्स्ट सैटरडे से नेक्स्ट संडे 2300 फिनिश हुआ तो लोडिंग जैसे मेंशन किया लोडिंग स्टार्ट हुई है मंडे को तो पिछला
Naturally, यार, naturally, obviously, when loading is not done, what does, यार तुम समझे क्यों नहीं?
ये संडे का काउंट नहीं होगा
सर 9 o'clock हमने पहले डिसाइड किया था कि सैटरडे मॉर्निंग में चालू हो चुका है हमारा लेट टाइम ठीक है अब अनलेस यूज क्लॉज भी लगा हुआ है एंड लोडिंग चालू हुई है मेरी 1800 इन द इवनिंग
So, beta, nothing happens before 1800.
तो टाइम जो कैलकुलेट होगा लेट टाइम का विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 9 o'clock और 1800
Why 9 o'clock? unless use clause says actual time used to the working time. No. You are saying different thing now. Now you have told a different thing. Your late time started at 9 o'clock, but on Saturday you worked at 1800. So you are saying from 1800 she commenced and completed at 2300. So all work done during excluded periods. So 12 से 6 बजे तो आपने काम ही नहीं किया, तो that doesn't count. Naturally.
Only in this case, what we have talked about 2 Sundays, 2 Saturdays, will there be a line in the data party that work daytime not to count between? Oh, nahi hogi na line.
No. It will. What is the fixed? The late time has to be described, not to count from 12 o'clock Saturday till 8 o'clock Monday. That's the basic charter party. Now you have unless use clause. Now if the work is done during 12 o'clock Saturday till 8 o'clock Monday, and unless use clause is there, and late time has already started before Saturday, then that time will count as late.
Let them count हो गया.
Huh?
Now जब उन्होंने क्या कि 12 o'clock NR accepted थी का notice, loading 1800. But if we assume that the working period of Saturday was till 1300, then will we count that 1 hour also? 12 to 13?
Better, please. Why do you say?
13 तक तो working time है.
No, please, that has got no connection. We are talking what your late time has started at 12 o'clock, right? Your late time has started at 12 o'clock, and once your late time is started, then if nothing happens, late time is 1 hour.
Then again from 1800.
Then if you have worked for 13 to 1800 and late time has commenced and you have unless use clause, then the time will come.
इस केस में हमारा जो लोडिंग का टाइम है will matter.
I think you are confusing yourself.
नहीं सर.
Of course. Unless use clause mein, to yes, it will matter because you have to say ki what time it started. Just because you have worked on Saturday, the late time started at 12 o'clock, right? Okay, late time started at 12 o'clock, correct? And time is not to count from 12 o'clock till 8 o'clock. So what is the excluded period? From 12 o'clock Saturday till 8 right? Uske beech mein, if you work for 1 hour,
Now एक और चीज सर, अभी let's say in this case particular case जो संडे को खत्म हो रहा था हमारा, वो हमारा मंडे को खत्म हो रहा है, तो वो एक्सक्लूडिंग का लगा गया अनलेस यूज वाला. नाउ इस केस में अगर उसे दे रखा है कि 1800 से लोडिंग चालू हुई है, तो कब तक मतलब वो देगा ना स्पेसिफिकली कि हाँ भाई 1800 के बाद कितना दिन चला है.
now I have to tell you very clearly this. You have started work, late time has commenced, you started work at 1800, correct? And she has worked and you said you commenced loading at 1800, correct? And if you have completed at Monday, correct? Now you have completed and you started loading before, now you have a continuous period, correct? But if he says you worked on Saturday 1800 and worked till say 2100, then what will happen? 3 hours, and you still have, now if you say you completed loading at 9 o'clock, would not, on next Monday, does not mean you have worked during the next Sunday or anything. Is that understood? So fine. If he says she completed loading, you have started at one time and completed at particular time.
पूरा कंटिन्यूअस.
So, no, please understand. If the time is given, then only that time will count. Then he has to say she start at 8 o'clock, she had 1800, and she worked non-stop till 2 o'clock Monday. Fine, I'm happy with that. Don't confuse with what I started with. The vessel, the late time is not started. But in your case, late time has started. So when late time has started, then what we are talking is correct. In our first case, when we said late time had, NOR only had been tendered and late time had started only at 9 o'clock Monday.
Yes sir.
Correct? So the first Sunday, even if you work cargo,
It will be excluded.
it will be excluded.
Yes sir.
You agree with that?
Yes sir.
Then you go all the way up to 2300, all excluded period is covered. Now what you are saying is a different thing. That means your late time has started and you say commence loading 1800 and non-stop till Tuesday, Monday. That would automatically mean every excluded period has been done. Because you have started and you're saying what? She's worked non-stop.
What I understand, non-stop, what I understand,
Continuously. Continuously.
then it will count.
Yes, obviously.
Normally we count the loading started at this time and finished.
बेटा normally you are assuming. आपने तो एक ही सवाल किया अभी तक. How can you say normally? Why? No, because you are just imagining. This situation is you are just imagining. अगर ऐसा होता तो कैसा होता? जैसे कभी कभी पिक्चर है ना, तुम होती तो ये होता, वो ना वो हैगी होते ना तुम हो, ऐ भी तुसी आशिक बने बैठे हो. मैं चार्टर पार्टी में go specific by what is there in front of you. My whole point of explaining this point is one: if they say your late time has started and doesn't specify anything, it says completed at 2300 Sunday, then all excluded period finished. I mean, so that is what starts even now. If your late time has started and you, whatever time you start, excluded period maybe from 12 o'clock to 18, but that will not count because you're not work car. But 1800 से excluded period शुरू हो गया and you completed at on Sunday 2300, all time will count. All time will count. But I would still qualify this much: if you start loading on Saturday 8 o'clock, generally you'll find if there will be some question that she worked continuously till 2 o'clock Monday. That means she has worked all through. Okay? Is everybody with me on this? Kang Saab? Huh?
The vessel arrived and tendered Hanover on 1200 hours on Saturday.
Huh?
उसमें फिर क्लोज लग गया कि टाइम नो टू काउंट फ्रॉम 1300 आवर ऑन सैटरडे टू 7 o'clock on मंडे. तो एंड वो रिपोर्ट क्लोज हो गया जो एनओआर टेंडर की बात 6 आवर्स आफ्टर एनओआर ये टाइम ही स्टार्ट.
Correct.
मंडे को जो है फिर 1 घंटा तो हो गया प्लस 5
नहीं बेटा, 1 घंटा नहीं हुआ.
6 घंटे हो गए भाई खत्म.
वो 6 घंटे तो आपके 12 बजे दिया, 6 घंटे शाम को 6 बजे खत्म हो गए. उसके बाद लेट टाइम शुरू हो सकता है, लेकिन इसलिए नहीं शुरू हो रहा कि वो एक्सक्लूडेड पीरियड है सैटरडे संडे, इसलिए आप मंडे को स्ट्रेट अवे लेट टाइम शुरू हो जाएगा. अब अगर आप आते ही हो 2 बजे, you are arrived in port after the hours, then your NOR will be tendered only at 8 o'clock Monday, और 6 घंटे के बाद your late time will start. Everybody is clear on that? Any doubts? Okay, now without any other imaginations, I want you to do this question which is right on your board now. Computer जी, दिखाया जाए.
काबू का जा रहा है.
Okay, can you read this question?